RJTI charts versus crude oil versus why wouldn't you listen to us? What firm signaled in year 2021 that the energy index was to explode higher to the 3,500 level? Although we've revised our upward outlook to 3,500 to 3,940. As you can see on the energy index chart, our buy signal came in year 2021. I think a quarterly buy signal between 1,015.63 to 1,237.94 range in year 2021 might be considered a good one. What's your opinion? Is it a good signal? Taking consideration when we look to the right here in 2026, the energy index has hit 3,577.20. But we're also happy that the crude oil has finally exploded to the upside as we forecast it would. Did Jim Cramer, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, BlackRock, Josh Brown of CNBC, Tom Lee, Fund Straight, Fidelity, did any firm in year 2026 signal for you to buy crude oil in January 2026 or February 2026 as low as $58 to $64 with a target of $90 to $150 a barrel? Now, here's some key things. Key 2023-2024 forecast for 2026. JP Morgan strategists led by Natasha Kanava have maintained a consistent message since June 2023 that supply would be too abundant. By early 2026, their forecast for Brent crude was $58 to $60 per barrel. While they noted that geopolitical shocks could spike prices, their base case remained centered around $60. Then you have Goldman Sachs in 2023 and early 2024. The bank's commodities desk projected a downward trend for oil prices. Their 2026 base case for Brent was approximately $56 per barrel, with WTI at $52. They later revised their figure slightly upward to $60 Brent by late 2026 due to lower than expected inventories. Then you had the EIA, U.S. Energy Information Administration, consistently forecasting that global production would exceed demand, projecting Brent prices to fall to an average of $58 per barrel in 2026. And you had Citibank, projected that oil prices would find support around $60, with a trading range of $55 to $65 for 2026. Again, our bullish signal initiated year 2021. As you can see on the energy index chart. Now, here's what we sent out on February the 4th, 2026. RJTI charts versus SX90 energy index versus hit our target. And we described something is wrong in our mind. Why has the SX90 energy index hit our targets and continue to climb toward our higher targets, yet crude oil is lagging? But crude oil hasn't moved that much. And as of this message, trade level is under $65 per 100 barrels. Is there something lying underneath that is to spark crude oil to $90 to $150? Well, March the 8th, 2026. Just maybe our vision isn't that bad. What's your opinion? As you can see, we started talking about buying crude oil at $58.19, and then February the 4th, 2026, we talked about buying it under $65. And drumroll, as of 3/8/2026 at 5:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, crude oil has exploded up to $111.24. It's easy to see the trees that make up the forest. And it's even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees. But it's not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your ammo today. RJTICharts.com. Driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.